wildin'. Talking while you come around and not silent. Flew to put 17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in the bag in the
welcome back to my channel. It's GODIVABLISS, and you know I had to change up my hair again. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got these knotless, basically like feed-in box braids. I've been seeing a couple of people do the style, and I just love how like flat and like real they look. And I think they came out so and they were pretty easy to do. So if you guys want to see how I did it, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment down below if you like this style, and also thumbs up this video. Let's get into it. We're going to make sure the part is straight. First, I'm going to take my virgin hair fertilizer, get that all on the hair shaft. Then I take my Super Shine-In Jam, basically like an edge control, but I love this stuff, and I put it all along the hair. Make sure I got the edges so that they're really flat and smooth. The hair that I'm using is this Easy Braid Pre-Stretched Quattro 4X Innocence. This is luxury premium braiding hair. It comes 4 in a pack. So far I bought 2 packs like this, and I only used 5 of these little things for the entire head. Here's where you section out the hair. The key to making knotless braids look really good is that you cannot insert pieces that are too big one at a time. You want to make it like a seamless blend, so you insert smaller pieces. So I take 3 sections. The first one's small like this. The second one will be a little thicker, like this much. And then third one, a little bit thicker as well. So it's like a gradual build up. So you take your hair into 3 sections, and you start braiding a little tight. Only braid like twice before you start to insert the hair. You're gonna insert the hair little by little.
With the outre hair folded in 2, you add 1 strand to the middle section and 1 to an outer section and begin braiding as normal. Keep repeating this process every time you insert some new hair. You'll be able to watch it again. You want to ensure that you're inserting the hair directly onto the middle section to hide the knot inside of that braid. That's what makes it knotless.
It's laying just on these 2 pieces right here, and you braid it along with it.
I'm gonna go ahead and cut the braid where I want it to end.
You get to about here. That's where you're gonna add in. This is outre bundle hair. It was like a 30-inch 1 black bundle. I cut this off of the weft. So I'm gonna take this hair and I'm gonna basically add it into my braid. So just like this, same way we added the hair up there. And then distribute the hair, so it's all even. And you keep braiding until the braiding hair is done. Then you take a piece of that hair, you wrap it around to tie a knot. You're gonna tie a knot at the end of that so that doesn't come loose either. Like this. I'll show you that one more time. Inches, darling, inches.
If you have any little flyaways while you're braiding, just add a little super shine jam and continue braiding as normal. You'll want to set your braids by dipping them into hot water.
For all the little like frizzy ends that might be sticking up, you want to go ahead and cut them off. You just want to clean up everything. I'm gonna go get dressed so I can come back to you and show you the final look. This is the final product. I think they came out so bomb. Like, oh my god, so cute. Like, come on now. You need my stop, but I just think it looks really, really, really good. I just feel like a queen right now. And that's it for the video, so thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please, please, please subscribe. So I'll see you guys later.